And finally, stage 5 of our workforce planning model is the evaluation stage. This is when we look at what's working and what's not working. It's when we look at our measurables and our indicators to see if the strategies we've implemented are actually being effective in achieving what it is that we wanted to achieve. That's both the gap closing that we wanted to achieve as well as the strategic objectives. Now, I have actually found in my experience on many occasions that when we come round to this evaluation phase with organisations, they've actually discovered that the strategic objectives and the key result areas of the organisations were actually inefficient. And they decided to go back to the drawing board, to go back to the business plan and rewrite or change those strategic objectives, because this whole process showed them that their business actually wasn't going in quite the right direction. So this workforce planning model does not have a certain duration to it. There is no recommended start and end time, because there shouldn't ever be a start and end time. Well, if you're going to start today. But this is something that needs to constantly be going round and round and round all of the time. Your workforce is always changing, your projects, milestones and deliverables are always changing, your products and services are always changing, or at least should be, because the world around you is changing and your customer needs are changing. So if you are not constantly evaluating, re-evaluating, re-reviewing your workforce and your needs within your business, you're going to very, very quickly find yourself back in the burning water and a whole heap of trouble, of fires you need to put out and problems you need to fix. Nobody wants to be there.